In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted records in Monday.com. Have you ever accidentally deleted an important item and worried it was gone forever? Well, worry no more. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to retrieve those lost records in just a few simple steps. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com using your preferred web browser. Once the site has loaded, look towards the top of the page and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. Next, you'll see an option to log in using Google. Click on that option and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com account. This convenient feature makes signing in quick and secure. After logging in, head over to your specific board where the record was previously stored. Boards in Monday.com are essentially like project-specific workspaces where all your tasks and data are organized. Within the board interface, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner. Here, you'll spot three vertical dots located right next to the Invite button. These three dots are your gateway to some very useful options. By clicking on these dots, you'll reveal a menu with multiple items. Look for the option labeled View Archive/Trash and click on it. This will open a new window where you can access all the archived and deleted records associated with that particular board. It's like peeking into your own digital filing cabinet. Once you've opened the archive, locate the Trash tab. Click on Trash to view a list of deleted items. This is where those seemingly lost records have been placed. It's a neat little feature that lets you retrieve and restore files you might have thought were gone for good. Find the item you wish to restore among the list in the trash. When you have located it, focus your attention once again on those helpful three dots associated with the item. Clicking on these dots will reveal the option to restore. Selecting restore will bring that item back to its original place on your board, right as rain. And that's it. Your lost record is now successfully restored to your workspace. This process not only saves you from unnecessary data loss, but also ensures that your workflow isn't interrupted by accidental deletions. So the next time you find yourself in a bit of a bind, remember these steps to quickly and effectively recover your important records on Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful guides.